defined as the amount of surface occupied by a body. The amount of surface occupied. The amount of surface occupied by a body. So here the term is amount of surface. It is amount of surface. The amount of surface occupied by a body, right? So that body occupies certain place is called area by a body or place. Is called area. Called area. So it means it is the surface. Okay, it is the surface. So amount of surface. So on the surface, if the body occupies, for example, it is the surface of a body. Suppose it is the floor. Let us assume. So I have a body, and that body, I place that body on the surface. So how much surface occupied by this body, right, is known as the area, and it has length and breadth. Length and breadth. The amount of surface occupied by a body is known as area. It has length and breadth. Only it has length and breadth. So coming to the area examples, area of a square, area of a rectangle, area of a triangle, area of a circle, right? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle formula: length into breadth. Area of a rectangle formula: length into breadth. Okay. Next, area of square. Area of square, side into side, side into side. Area of triangle, So area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height, half into base into height. Next, area of a circle. Area of circle, pi. We call this as pi. Pi into r square. Pi r square is r square. R means radius. Pi r square. So what is a rectangle? A rectangle is of opposite sides are equal. Right? It is a rectangle. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Okay. Square. All the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. Rectangle also has the four sides. Square also has the four sides. But in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. But in a square, all the four sides are equal. Triangle has only three sides. Circle, it has no sides, and the angle is is the radius. Is radius. Okay. Next, units of area. So length into breadth. Length into breadth. If length is in meters and breadth is also in meter, meter into meter, meter square. It is the SI unit. Okay. If length is centimeter, breadth is also centimeter, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. This serious unit. This serious unit. And the relation between SI unit and serious unit. Relation between SI and serious unit. What is SI unit of area? Meter square. Meter square is nothing but meter into meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 can be written as 10 square centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 square centimeter. When the bases are same, what happens to power? Power should be added. So 10 power 2 plus 2, centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So 10 power 4 centimeter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 1 meter square is equal to 10 power 4 centimeter square. Then 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 centimeter square is equal to. So if you want to do this, we must know the multiples and submultiples. 1 into centimeter can be written centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square can be written centimeter into centimeter. Centi, what is the value of centi? 1 is common. Centi value is 10 power minus 2 meter into 10 power minus 2 meter. 10 power minus 2 meter. But the bases are same. Power should be added. 10 power minus 2 meter into meter, meter square. 10 power minus 4 meter square. What is 1 centimeter square is equal? In this way we can do the conversion. Okay. And in this area, okay. So the field, the land, agricultural field can also be measured in hectares. 1 hectare is equal to 1 hectare is equal to 10 power 4 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10 power 4 meter square. Important one. 1 hectare is equal to 10 power 4 meter square. Right? So in this way we can convert any units in area. Next one is volume. Volume can be defined as the amount of space occupied. The amount of space occupied by a body. Space. What it is? Space or the measure of space. So the amount of space occupied by a body here, the amount of space in the sense it has length, breadth and height. It has length, breadth and height. Okay, imagine this is a cube, so it is the length, it is the breadth, and it is the height. Whatever the body, it has length, breadth and height, so that body occupies some volume, but the body occupies some volume, and it is coming to the units for solids. Solids in the sense the materials are hard, and those materials only have length, breadth and height. For solids, SI unit is length meter, breadth meter, height meter. So meter into meter into meter, meter cube is SI system. Centimeter, 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 centimeter cube, CGS system. CGS system. Okay. Whereas for liquids, the volume is measured in liters, SI system. Milliliters, CGS system. For solids, the volume is measured in meter cube, SI system, centimeter cube, CGS system. Okay. For liquids, SI system is liter, CGS system is centiliter, milliliter. Okay. And if you observe here, there must be a relation between solids and liquids. It must be, because to convert how much volume occupied by a liquid in solids, for example, it is a container, right? So if you want to measure that how much volume occupied by the liquid which is stored in a container, for liquids we must know the volume in liquids, so that there must be a relation between the solids and liquids, so that 1 milliliter is nothing but 1 centimeter cube. Important. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. So from that we can convert later to solids to liquid volume, and also 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. That means 1000 can be written as time cube, ml is nothing but centimeter cube. So it is also can be written as 10 power 3 cc. C means centimeter cube. Cc means centimeter cube. Okay. And there must be a relation between SI and CGS here. Meter cube to centimeter cube, relation between meter cube and centimeter cube. Meter cube means meter into meter into meter. Meter cube means meter into meter into meter. That is meter, 1 meter is equal to 10 power 2 centimeter, 10 power 2 centimeter, 10 power 2 centimeter. When the basis of them cost to be added, 10 power 2 plus 2 plus 2 centimeter, centimeter, centimeter means centimeter cube. So 10 power 6 centimeter cube. 1 meter cube is equal to 10 power 6 centimeter cube. In the same way, reverse, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter cube. 10 power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, right? So in this way we can do the conversion. The volume for liquids can be measured with the help of some measuring containers, right? So as you know that the liquids that didn't have any shape on their own, liquids didn't have any shape on their own, but it takes the shape of the container. Okay, so to measure the volume of liquids accurately and exactly, so some devices are there, we have to use those devices. So how much volume it occupies in small quantities, like with the help of that is measuring jar, measuring jar or measuring cylinder, measuring jar or measuring cylinder. These are the devices used to measure the liquids. Measuring jar or measuring flask, conical flask we call this as, burette and pipette. Here if you observe, I marked some lines. These lines are nothing but readings. Okay, so depending upon the size and quantity of liquid we require, these sizes may vary. Okay, measuring cylinder or measuring jar, measuring flask, pipette and burette. So with the help of this burette we can measure the very small quantity of liquids because it has a nozzle here. Okay, if you observe these devices and all these markings are marked on it here. Okay, what is the volume of a cube formula? Volume of a cube is equal to length into length or side into side. Volume of a cube is equal to length into length, or we call that length is nothing but a side into side. Cuboid, length into breadth into height. Okay, cylinder, area of cross section into height. So దాన్ని మనం pi r square తీసుకుని రాసుకుంటాము. Pi r square is nothing but area, pi r square into h, and area of a volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h, right? So these are the formulas for volume of cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. So radius of circle r is 7 centimeter. Find area. That is the question. So given radius r is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. What is the formula of area of circle? Area of circle is equal to formula pi r square. Pi value is 22/7. Pi value is 22/7 or 3.14. Okay, depending upon the situation we can place 3.14 or 22/7. Into radius is 7 square, means 7 into 7. 7 gets cancelled. Okay, then what is the value of 22 into 7? So that is 154 centimeter square, because here centimeter into centimeter. Here we can write 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. So 7 gets cancelled, centimeter into centimeter square. So 22 into 7, 154 centimeter square. 1 ton is equal to 1 ton is equal to dash quintal. 1 ton is equal to dash quintals. It is regarding the mass. So as you know that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Okay, and 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. So 1 quintal is 100 kg. So 1 ton is 1000 kg. So convert quintal into ton into quintals. Ton into 1 ton is equal to 1000 can be written as 100 into 10 kg. Okay. So here 100 kg is nothing but quintal, right? So 100 instead of 100 we can write 1 quintal into 10. 1 quintal into 10. So that means 10 into 1, 10 quintal. 10 quintal is equal to 1 ton. 10 quintal is equal to 1 ton. Here 1 meter square is equal to 10 power x millimeter square. Find x. Find x. Okay. So 1 meter square is equal to dash millimeter square. 1 meter square is equal to dash millimeter square. Dash millimeter square. Okay. So by the process 1 meter square by left hand value by right hand value. Millimeter square. 1 meter into meter by millimeter into millimeter. That is equal to meter into meter by milli value 10 power minus 3 meter into again milli value 10 power minus 3 meter. Here it is millimeter, 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 millimeter. So meter, 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 meter cancel. 1 by nothing is there means only 1 is there. 10 power minus 3, 10 power minus 3. When the bases are same, what should be added? Minus 3, minus 3, minus 6. 10 power minus 6. That is equal to, it is in denominator. 1 by 10 power minus 6. If we send this denominator value to numerator, this power value should be positive. That is 10 power 6. So here 10 is same. What is the power value? X. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6. Okay, Nama? Thank you.